Hello friends, today we're taking a look at this Fanttik G9 Handy electric scrubber. We're going to see what's included in the box, go over some of the main features of it, and see how it performs. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Alright, let's see what we have in here. We have this card with basic instructions on it. User manual. This is to hold everything. And the cleaning comb. And this is the Fanttik Handy. It has the same pop design for releasing the attachments. So it just snaps in there and removes like that. That's for each attachment. The power button is right here. USB charging port on this side. This handle is actually very comfortable. Look, I can put a full grip on it. And if your hand is slightly bigger or smaller, it's actually going to be comfortable as well. Check that out. And then it gives this a little bit of an extension with the build. So your like the brush is not over here by your hand. It's further out. Gives you a little bit more of a reach. This is the corner brush. This is the foam brush right here. And I have like a fiber brush. This one just detaches by Velcro, and you can put this one on here like so. And this one here is the cup brush. Gives you a nice reach for cleaning like those smoothie cups and blenders, or I have a couple of tall mugs, and you also get a USB-C charging cord. It comes in this beautiful black color, but it is also available in white. It has a great quality, high capacity 2500 mAh battery built in, and it takes under 2 hours to charge it from 0 to full. A very important feature in the design of this Fanttik G9 Handy is that it is waterproof, and it is rated at IPX7, which means it can be submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. That's plenty for you to just wash it, rinse it, dunk it, to clean the brush, for example. The design is very well thought through. Like, holding it in your hand is very comfortable. This is the Keurig coffee tray that accumulates coffee in there. And sometimes I just need to clean it. This is something that will really expedite the cleaning process of this rather than just soaking it and waiting. And still, even then, some of these corners are really hard to get to. Whoops. Let's see. And try different brushes. This one here, do the same thing. Also, great that you're not worried about it getting damaged. You can, it's fully waterproof, so that's great. It's water resistant. Really helps. You can kind of feel the brushes going into each of these little holes here and cleaning each one. That's great. Like, especially if you have coffee stuff, you know how they stain really well, or just have coffee drip here and there, and then it just accumulates, and then it's nasty. But this tool will help definitely in that. This cup brush really comes in handy when cleaning things like jars and blenders. My hand can go in there, and then you can just use this. Goes into all the corners of the jar. The handles here, you're not missing anything at all. Using it is super simple. You just press and hold this power button, turns on the low setting, and then if you need to switch it to high, just press it once, and it displays your battery level right here. So I've been cleaning a few things and I haven't really gone down much. It was at 90% when I started. It's still at 90, waiting for it to go to 89 at least. So it's got a really good battery that really holds the charge and lets you clean for a long time. So that's really cool. Press and hold to turn it off. The convenience of fingertip control is very nice, and that the display's over here right in front of you also helps. So yeah, a really cool and a handy tool, just like the name says it. I just recommend that after each use, you just put it on charge and make sure it's fully charged before you store it away. The battery honestly gives you plenty of time to use this unit on a single charge. So I definitely recommend this item. It is a great product from a very nice company. They put out very nice things and they usually test them, make sure they're good and something that people really need. And this is one of those things that for sure I need, and a lot of you will too. If you want to check the current price on this unit, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my videos for more review content. Have a great day.